In this tutorial, I'll review the Pocket Air Pro. Is it a legit personal air purifier or just another scam? Let's find out. The Pocket Air Pro claims to be a portable, wearable device that cleans the air around you using ionization technology. It's marketed as a solution for allergies, pollution, and better breathing on the go. Some users say it feels like it helps in mildly polluted environments, but many report no noticeable difference in air quality. Issues include short battery life, weak performance, and misleading ads that exaggerate its effectiveness. Experts also point out that small ionizers like this often have limited real-world impact compared to full-size air purifiers. It's not a complete scam, but expectations should be realistic. If you're considering it, read real reviews and research how ionizers work before buying. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more informative reviews. Thanks for watching.